This lesson is all about integrating ICT in mathematics teaching. These are the objectives of the lesson. At the end of the week, the pre-service teacher should be able to identify the different types of asynchronous communication system, discuss how asynchronous communication system facilitate learning in mathematics teaching, identify the different types of synchronous communication system, discuss how synchronous communication system facilitate learning in mathematics teaching, utilize digital tools to construct communication text samples. Now, let us define first what is Information and Communication Technology or ICT. What is Information and Communication Technology? Information and Communication Technology are a set of technological tools and resources used to communicate, create, and manage information. This is also an essential tool in the modern classroom which can engage students on a number of levels. As we all know that students are intelligent in using gadgets or technology, and in using it in the classroom, it is sure that they will be active. ICT in the Classroom Engagement Initiative of the School of Computing or SOC that is designed to inspire, teach, and train educators to utilize up-to-date IT tools and techniques that facilitate the classroom teaching experience. Being in the 21st century, it is just right that not only learners but everyone should be flexible and adaptable in using technology. Like the teachers, they need to be trained and gain knowledge in using technology so that they can also share it to their students. Now, let's proceed to the modes of delivering e-learning. There are two modes of interaction and communication in online learning, or simply two modes of delivering e-learning. These are asynchronous and synchronous. Let us define what is asynchronous communication system. Asynchronous communication or asynchronous e-learning means interaction without real-time conversation. Replies can be delayed. Students do not need to schedule their time around the predetermined plan of the instructor. For example, it involves messages being transmitted back and forth but not through direct interaction and not necessarily at the same time. Like when the instructor instructs the students what they need to do or what is their activity, the instructor will just send it to their group chat and it's up to the students on when they are going to do it. This mode of learning allows students to download documents and do assignments at any time. Asynchronous learning describes educational activities, discussions, and assignments that engage students in learning at their own pace on their own time. In other words, participants communicate at different times from different places using the same communication tools. Here are the different types of asynchronous communication tools. We have number 1, wikis. Wikis are web-based tools that allows the instructor and students to work on projects together, share resources, and collaborate. These asynchronous communication tools is like letting the students to do the task with the help of each other. Wikis is the open editing functions to allow users to co-create information and knowledge, supporting constructivist and learner-centered perspective. This is where students create their activity. It is like they can answer with the use of this application, and also the teacher have an access to it to see the work of the students. Next, we have the blogs or weblogs. A blog, also known as weblog, is an online journal that can be made public or private. Students can use blogs to create an online portfolios, post reflections, turn in projects or assignments, or feedback from the instructor or other students. Blog can act as a learning management system where assignments can be posted and submitted. Announcements and links to other readings are made available. Next, email. Email is the oldest collaboration tool and the most common method in online learning. Private messages can be sent between the instructor and the students. Email can be used for announcements, due dates, schedule changes, modification to an assignments, or to address possible misconceptions. This is also used in sending outputs such as assignments, activities, and other requirements to our instructor. Next, podcasting. Podcasting is broadcasting a series of audio and video files over the internet. Podcasts can be downloaded to a mobile device, allowing the students to access the learning resources anytime, anywhere, with very little effort. Podcasts are portable and can be listened to anywhere, while traveling or working out. Students can listen to course lectures several times and at their convenience. Lastly, the digital library. A digital library is an organized set of resources such as audio, video, e-learning courses, micro-learning nuggets, and e-books. It promotes learner-centric training and is considered to be a knowledge repository. It allows students to learn at their own with the use of digital library. They can look information for their assignments, projects, and other activities. Digital libraries are equipped with search engine technologies that let novice users accomplish their search for information and resources easily. Now, we proceed to synchronous communication system. When we say synchronous communication system, is that which takes place in real time between two or more parties. Synchronous communication exchange is an interactive live interchange between people. This might take in a form of video meeting or a phone call to a colleague on a mobile device. The instructor typically drives slideshow presentation which the students watch while connected to a conference website. The participants are present and are expected to respond almost instantly. In this mode of learning, instructor and learners have interaction. It is more likely a classroom scenario where there is a discussion and recitation. We have now the different synchronous communication digital tools. First is the video conferencing. Video conferencing is live visual connection between two or more remote parties over the internet that simulates a face-to-face meeting. A call through Zoom, FaceTime, Google Meet, or another video conferencing platform requires all of your participants to be available and allows your team to see each other. Video is best whenever you need to build rapport, share complex information, or discuss a topic where there's uncertainty. Now, in our current situation, why we use video conferencing, especially in school, is because of the pandemic. We conduct online class with our different subjects to discuss the lesson through video conference. The next one is the instant messaging. Instant messaging systems enable immediate communication between two parties in written form. In simpler terms, instant messaging allows two or more people to chat with each other in real time. We can communicate our instructor or classmates through messaging them. Last synchronous communication digital tools is the social media or social network. Social media platforms facilitate communication in quick and convenient way. This can be either synchronous or asynchronous, depending on how they are used. We can use social media as asynchronous digital tools when we send private message to our instructor or classmates with regards to the lesson, and also we can use it as synchronous digital tools when we having video and audio calls or private message when the person you are messaging is online. In social media, we can communicate with individuals as well as with groups through different media text, image, audio, video, and other documents. Having an additional synchronous communication channel can also be valuable as a way to personalize the learning environment. These are learners who feel self-conscious or prefer to process their thoughts more deliberately before participating in discussions. The following are top 11 most popular digital tools according to e-learning industry. 1. Edmodo. It is an educational tool that connects teachers and students and is assimilated into a social network. In this one, teachers can create online collaborative groups, administer and provide educational materials, measure student performance, and communicate with parents, among other functions. 2. Socrative is a system that allows teachers to create exercises or educational games which students can solve using mobile devices. whether smartphones, laptops, or tablet. 3. Project. This is a tool that allows you to create multimedia presentations with dynamic slides in which you can embed interactive maps, links, online quizzes, Twitter timelines, and videos, among other options. 4. TeamLink. This allows educators to create interactive images with music, sounds, text, and photographs. These can be shared on the other websites or on social media networks such as Twitter and Facebook. TeamLink offers the possibility for teachers to create learning methodologies that awaken the curiosity of students through interactive content that can expand their knowledge. 5. TED-Ed is an educational platform that allows creating educational lessons with the collaboration of teachers, students, animators, generally people who want to expand knowledge and good ideas. This website allows democratizing access to information, both for teachers and students. People can have an active participation in the learning process of others. 6. K-12, a website that seeks to reduce the cost of academic books for the K-12 market in the United States and the world. To achieve its objective, this platform has an open-source interface that allows creating and distributing educational materials through the internet, which can be modified and contain videos, audios, and interactive exercises. 7. Class Dojo. It is a tool to improve student behavior. Teachers provide their students with instant feedback so that good disposition in class is rewarded with points and students have a more receptive attitude towards the learning process. 8. EduClipper. This platform allows the teachers and students to share and explore references and educational materials. It provides the opportunity for teachers to organize a virtual class with their students and create a portfolio where all the work carried out is stored. 9. Storybird aims to promote writing and reading skills through storytelling. In this tool, teachers can create interactive and artistic books online through a simple and easy-to-use interface. 10. Animoto, a digital tool that allows you to create high-quality videos in a short time and from any mobile device, inspiring students and helping improve academic lessons. Lastly, Kahoot. This is an educational platform that is based on games and questions. Through this tool, teachers can create questionnaires, discussion, or surveys that complement to academic lessons. The material is projected in the classroom and questions are answered by students while playing and learning at the same time. Now, let's proceed to the application of the different digital tools for communication skills developments in mathematics learning. First, digital education makes the students more effective and efficient than the traditional education system. Second, students can use ICT as a tool to perform calculations, draw graphs, and help solve problems by the use of a calculator or something like that to perform more challenging computations. Third, ICT can be an extensive and efficient tool, but students need to learn the technical skills they need if they are to use the opportunities provided to them constructively and efficiently. Lastly, ICT integration in mathematics education provides mathematics teachers with integrative teaching methods that motivate students' learning, support their independent learning, and active participation in the discovery of mathematics concepts and topics.
Thank you for listening, and I hope you learn on this lesson.